Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to teach you accountancy of class 12, chapter 2nd, accounting for partnership firms and fundamental. So some important topic of this chapter we have already discussed with you. Today is the new topic, granted minimum profit to a partner, and this is the last topic. So today we'll discuss about granted minimum profit with the help of one numerical question. So first, what is granted minimum profit? When one or two partner granted to any other partner, their profit will not less than a fixed amount. So it's called granted minimum profit. So today we'll solve one question. Like question is here, Molly, Bhola and Raj. They are three partners and their profit ratio 3:3:4. It means they will distribute the profit in the ratio 3:3:4. All partners entail interest on capital 5% per annum, interest on drawing 12% per annum, and interest on partners loan 6% per annum. It means any partner given loan, he entails 6% per annum as an interest on loan. Molly was allowed an annual salary 4,000. Vola was allowed a commission 10% of net profit, and so by profit and loss, Raj was granted a minimum profit of 1,50,000 after making all adjustment. It means Raj profit not less than 1,50,000 in a year. Fixed capital of all partner like Molly 5 lakh, Bhola 8 lakh and Raj 4 lakh. On 1st April 2016, Bhola has given a loan rupees 1 lakh to the firm. The net profit of the firm on 31st March 2017 before interest on Bhola loan 3,06,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account Molly, Bhola and Raj for the year ended 31st March 2017 and their current account, assuming the Bhola withdraw 5,000 at the end of each month, Molly withdraw 10,000 at the end of each month, each quarter, and Raj withdraw 40,000 at the end of each half year. So there is a drawing. Okay. So first prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So you know that profit and loss appropriation account prepared by the partnership firm. So their rules: profit and loss appropriation account, nominal account. So all expenses and losses will be debited and income will be credited. So now start profit and loss appropriation account. So first profit and loss appropriation account, credit side by profit and loss. Okay, profit has given before interest loan, so interest loan deducted from the profit given 3,06,000 less 6,000 interest loan, so profit will be 3 lakh. Interest on drawing, interest on drawing you know that it is a profit for the firm, so it will be so credit side. So by interest on drawing, Molly 1,800, Bhola 3,300 and Raj 2,400, so total 7,500. So it is a debit side. Now credit side. Now debit side, to interest on capital, all partner entail interest on capital. So Molly, Bhola and Raj. Molly interest on capital 25,000, Bhola interest on capital 40,000 and Raj interest on capital 20,000, so 85,000. Okay. Now salary, Molly is getting salary, so 2 salary 4,000 and 2 Bhola commission 30,000. Okay, because Bhola is entail commission on net profit after deducting interest on capital, interest on loan. The profit transfer to difference, now amount will be transferred to Molly, Raj, okay, and Bhola. So first Molly profit after adjustment 56,550 and Bhola also 56,550. Okay, clear? So deficiency of given by Molly 37,300 and Bhola deficiency given by 37,300. So Raj profit will be after adjustment 75,400. So difference amount, because he is entitled 1,50,000 profit, so difference 74,600 given by Molly and Bhola. So Molly given 37,300 and Bhola given 37,300. So it will be total now 1,50,000 profit distributed between all the partners. So deficiency of Raj, it's given by Molly and Bhola, because Molly and Bhola promised to Raj his profit will be not less than 1,50,000 any year. But after all adjustment, Raj only getting 75,400. Okay, so this is the profit. Clear? Divided between the partner. So Raj profit was only 75,400, but we have promised to him their profit not less than 1,50,000. So difference amount given by Molly and Bhola out of his profit. So Molly sacrificed 37,300 and Bhola sacrificed 37,300. So now Raj profit will be only 50,000. So this is the granted minimum profit. Now we'll talk about partners current account, because in this question also asking the current account. So current account, you know that when partners capital are fixed, we must prepare partners current account. So how will prepare current account? Know that if given balance of current account, you must write by balance BD or to balance BD. Okay, and all the item those are getting interest on capital, salary, commission will show in the credit side, and debit side interest on drawing and loss of PL appropriation. So now start partners current account. Here not given any balance of current account, so will not write any balance. So start credit side. First buy interest on capital. All partner entitled interest on capital, so in the credit side. Okay, then buy salary. Molly is getting salary, and buy commission. Only Bhola is getting commission, and difference of PL appropriation account, buy profit and loss appropriation account is transfer from the PL appropriation account. So Molly profit 19,250 and Bhola profit 19,250 and Raj profit 1,50,000, because we have promised to Raj. So their profit will be 1,50,000. So this was the credit side. Now debit side to drawing. To drawing. Molly, Bhola and Raj. Drawing 40,000, 60,000, 80,000. Okay. To interest on drawing 1,800, 3,300 and 2,400. This is the interest on drawing 1,800, 3,300 and 2,400. Now current account will be closed, so credit side is more here, so you will write difference amount to balance CD 6,450, Molly and Bhola 25,950 and Raj 87,600. So this was the current account. So today we have discussed a new topic, granted minimum profit, through the one question. So I think this topic has clear. If any problem asked to me without any hesitation, so thank you and have a nice day.